Hi Virgos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle texts that I have here. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Virgos. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Ten of Swords for Virgo. I think in these final days you were quite exhausted on account of excess work. This lady here, she seems to be overburdened on account of these swords. So possibly, knives were also being sharpened behind your back. Maybe you felt let down. Financially also you may have felt as though there was a cash crunch. But someone has definitely come and rescued you, or somebody had been helpful towards you in time of these needs. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Six of Wands. I think you have to be prepared because there's going to be hectic activity this October. Despite making gains, you may feel as though financially there is a lack or you need to work that much harder. Influences for this month, we have the Two of Wands for Virgos. I think you need to get a grip on your temperament. Your shifting emotions could lead to disagreements within the family or within the work environment. Ideally, I think Virgos shouldn't presuppose things. What you think is not going to be, so you should not draw conclusions. I think at work also you want proper pay. I think money motivates you to move forward. Those of you who are looking for employment opportunities, I think you will get a job offer on account of your contacts, or your friends could recommend something to you, but then you are quite decided about what you need in life, so that is why you are going to pour water on their plans. Incidentally, they may think that you are egoistical, they may think that you are being quite choosy, but Virgos, you are determined to wait. Maybe some of them could suspect that something is amiss. The first 10 days of October, we have the Seven of Cups. You see this lady here, she is weighing her options, she has choices before her. Maybe she is also quite closed off, or she is quite guarded. I think you're somebody who will weigh the pros and cons. Maybe you're also somebody who's gripped by nostalgia. You're thinking about the past. You're looking up to the skies because we also have the Star card. I think you're looking for divine guidance here. Many of you could also be bored on account of your job. You want an increase in salary. Like I said, money motivates you. So if there's no payment coming in, then you will want to pack your bags and leave. Some gains are going to be there for you. I think new clients will also tap you for your services, but you should be firm when it comes to payment. Your schedules could also go haywire. Maybe your boss is quite whimsical and expects you to toe the line. That is why it could be a bit unnerving for you. Work will definitely increase. I think you're going to be someone who's going to be quite creative, because I notice a spider here, a tiny spider or baby spider. Maybe it's also asking you to weave those stories. I think Virgos, you should also be prepared because somebody could try to disturb you, maybe deliberately try to hinder your plans. You have to find your way. Preferably, you should control the situation rather than let things go out of hand. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Page of Wands. Surely you will want to understand the purpose of your life. You want clarity, and this is the time when you will be able to unearth what you need to do in your life. I think you're also getting the opportunity to rectify past mistakes. Possibly many Virgos, you'll also be feeling quite restless because of the Wands energy, and the Page of Wands is someone who is quite young, who is restless. Incidentally, despite this restless energy, you will also be quite withdrawn. You want to be in your own world. Ironically, Virgos, this is also the time when you'll be socializing a bit. I think disagreements could also be there with your loved ones or colleagues over their failure to follow instructions. Maybe you expect them to do what you have suggested, but then they are not paying attention. You're also someone who's quite aggressive because you do have a ready answer for all the accusations that are leveled at you. All in all, you're somebody who's quite brave and courageous. Your creativity will also be appreciated. Besides, communication will bring in gains. Even if you're quite restless, I think you're also somebody who will be able to accomplish a lot. As a boss also, I think Virgos, you should be more accommodating. You should listen to the viewpoint of others. Also the time when you will be hiring candidates, maybe you have to give in to the price they quote. The final days of October, we have the Tower card. Again, you're coming across as someone who's quite impulsive. You have the urge to communicate with somebody as well. There'll be quick reactions. But the work pressure could also be something which you need to tackle in this time. Incidentally, we did clarify the Tower card and we do have the Queen of Swords. You know, the Queen of Swords is someone who is quite aloof, but then the Tower is forcing you to communicate with people. Maybe you should also pay attention to your intuition. You could have strange dreams this month as well. Nevertheless, your ice cool temperament is allowing you to accomplish a great deal. I think you prefer to keep to yourself because you don't want to explain yourself to others, Virgos. It seems your work is a priority in this time. Oftentimes, you have to hurry with the task. You may be unsure whether to do the task or not, but then you will complete the same and you'll be happier for it. You're also someone, Virgos, who is going to be quite free and fair and impartial when it comes to handling situations. I think you can put your views across quite succinctly in this time. You don't want to explain yourself over and over again. By the way, money or wages could come in this time. Technical work could also keep you busy. With respect to your love life, Virgos, I have this card, forgiveness. Possibly somebody needs to seek forgiveness, whether it's you or the other person whom you're dealing with. I think you have options before you. You may feel that you had your chances with respect to the opposite sex. Maybe an admirer is continuing to drop hints this month, but then you're disinterested. Like I said, there could be a past life issue here that you're dealing with, so maybe you want to seek forgiveness from this person. You want to mend bridges and move on. In case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, or in case you have feelings for someone, you may want to call this person up, but then you think that it's a dead end or this person is not into you. Perhaps your journeys are dissimilar, your paths are not going to meet. Nevertheless, we also have this card 111. You're a magical creator. Your thoughts are beginning to manifest. I think your angels want to help you create whatever you desire. You have the ability to manifest things, so you should be careful of your thoughts. Romancing, Virgos, I think you will have discussions with respect to work. At times, both of you will hold yourselves back. Maybe you could discuss your past and this could make this person recoil. That is why you want to seek forgiveness for offending him or discussing his past. Maybe he is not ready. I think these inner child wounds need to be healed before this person can come forward. Basically, Virgos, you want to understand this person's social background. You want to understand his path. You will also do well if you are not aloof. Maybe sometimes you come across as someone who is snubbing your person. That is why you need to be careful about that as well. On the other hand, married Virgos, I think you should be mindful of the fact because there could be disagreements with your in-laws and this could affect your relationship with your spouse. I think you should also take care of your health this month. Maybe your spouse and you should also be generous towards one and all this October. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think domestic violence could be an issue here. Your partner could be somebody who is seeking forgiveness, but then he's back to square one here. So you should be careful of this cycle. Incidentally, the last card in this reading is unconditional joy. I think Archangel Raphael is asking you to not put preconditions on yourself. Rather, you should enjoy the present moment. You should spend time with puppies or with dogs or pets. You should be grateful because once you are happy and when you appreciate these gifts, then you are attracting more circumstances that will enhance your sense of well-being even more, Virgos. This card is also reminding us that it's possible to experience joy no matter what's going on around or whatever is happening in your life. On that note, Virgos, I will end this reading. I hope, Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. We also have other pick a card readings lined up. You can have a look at them as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.